CSIR Startup Conclave in Hyderabad, and I have with me Dr. Jitendra Singh. You have spoken about, for the first time, scientific fraternity, government, investors, policymakers all coming together. What do you hope to achieve from this?
No, I'm sure you would recall that right from day one, Prime Minister Modi has been insisting on this whole of science approach, the whole of government approach, and rather to add to that whole of science, whole of government plus whole of society. We are proud, we are number 3 in the startup ecosystem in the world today. We were just about 350, 400 in 2014 before this government came in. Today we are more than 1.75 lakh. But at the same time, we also have to make sure that the startups are sustainable. So equally important to sustain. So in order to sustain them, you have to have a viable and a vibrant ecosystem and a good industry linkage, rather I would say an early industry linkage. And most of our success stories, which have made a mark globally, have been possible because of these factors. Like, for example, our vaccine story. We were the first to come out with a DNA vaccine. The Department of Biotechnology did the trial, but we had an industry linkage right from the beginning. We were one of the leading industry houses. Similarly, our space now started moving leaps and bounds ever since it was opened up to the private players. Its space economy itself is going up very rapidly and contributing hugely to the overall India's economy. And similarly also CSIR. CSIR has created a history through one of its recent successes in Aroma mission, the lavender cultivation, which is not only living up to Prime Minister's goal of doubling farmers' income, but it's also produced a new genre of agri-startups, lavender startups, about 3,000 of them. And let's not forget that for India, our exclusive domain is agriculture. Our exclusive domain is marine resources. We have almost 1,100 kilometer long coastal area. So it's not only IT that we are now, mindset bound to that. So for the first time, we have started exploring those resources, and most of these, and you don't have to be a very highly educated scientist or a highly qualified degree holder to be a successful startup. And I think that is a fact which has become evident from this Flori mission again, is one of the CSIR things. So all these labs in Hyderabad have contributed to the farming sector, to the chemical sector. And
Your cabinet colleague very recently